Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talking about DPS. It is a new mining app. In this video I am going to talking about each and everything in detail. Don't skip the video, please watch the video till the end. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First of all, you have to create the account, and then link in the description. You can sign up and looking into the account, the interface of this account. You can see like this. Here you can see my daily profit. I will mark the profit by circle. This is my daily profit. If you deposit the Dogecoin, you can daily earn 5% and you can withdraw anytime. And this is a mining machine area. You can purchase the mining machine if you want to purchase. This is the first mining machine, a 100 Dogecoin. Your earning profit is mentioned below. You can deposit and purchase the mining machine and earn the daily income. There are so many mining machines are here. You can see on the screen. If you want to purchase any mining machine from your deposit Dogecoin, and how to recharge the account, you have to copy the address and transfer from any wallet. You can deposit it to 𝑳𝒊𝒂𝒄𝒄𝒆 Dogecoins. And how to withdraw the profit, I'm going to show you how to withdraw the Dogecoin. You enter the amount or select the all, hit the all, and then enter the password of your account, transaction fund password. Then you have to select all. Then after selecting the whole, hit the button and then hit the withdrawal button. Now you can now transfer the amount from your wallet. You can check the wallet, it will be received in your wallet. Now my balance is going to zero. Now you can see on my screen. Then you can invite the more friends and earn the referral income and subordinate incomes. So if you join your friends, you can earn daily subordinated income, 10 level income. You can earn 10 level from your subordinated income. You invite the more friend and earn more money from this app. Thank you.